This is the brand new Samsung QN900C 8K Neo QLED TV, and it is the best of what Samsung's Mini LED TV lineup has to offer for 2023. Let's go take a closer look. We're looking at the 75-inch configuration. It also comes in 65 inches, but it's really the larger sizes like 75 and 85 inches where upgrading to an 8K TV actually make a noticeable difference for your viewing.
Whoa, wait, this is sick.
The QN900C looks pretty similar to Samsung's other Neo QLED TVs at a glance. Something to note is that it has the One Connect box, while the 4K QLED TVs do not. The box basically offloads the ports into this detachable unit that helps with cable management. This would look really nice mounted up on a wall with the box tucked into a console or other access point that's more convenient for port access for that full array of HDMI 2.1 inputs. In terms of performance, this TV is powered by the Neural Quantum Processor 8K, which should upscale content to 8K quality and of course thrive with native 8K content.
You don't think that looks incredible? Look at the salt.
No, there's still not an abundance of 8K content out there, but there's also not a total lack. The precision and picture quality is pretty surreal. Based on this hands-on experience, I'm seeing plenty of refinement even in scenes with a lot of contrasting colors. Plus, off-angle, all those details hold up. Now, we have run some early performance tests, and while I won't get too much into detail, I will say brightness is another standout quality of overall performance. We measured about 2400 nits in a 10% window, which is absolutely top-notch. As for sound, if you're committing to this setup, you'll probably get a sound bar, but why that's good is because of an upgrade to Samsung's Q Symphony sound feature. This feature combines the TV speakers with the soundbar, and now it uses neural networks to better differentiate the sound layers. Otherwise, pretty standard ties-in platform, but the remote is a bit different across all Samsung 2023 TVs. It's smaller and smoother. It reminds me a bit of the Apple TV remote actually, but you still have some dedicated app launchers. This 75-inch model of the QN900C will cost $6,299, which is a good chunk of change more than the same sizes for Samsung's 4K Neo QLED flagships. Are you just a little bit more convinced that it's time to get an 8K TV? Be sure to let me know in the comments or on social, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok @TomsGuide. And as always, I'm @Kate Kozich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.